Yo, so listen up. If you also run an ecom brand, I want you to spare me some of your time because this video might save you countless hours and can make you way more consistent with your ads. And if you stayed, let's be real. If you're trying or planning to scale your e-commerce brand, it's almost necessary for you to come up with at least 7 to 8 ad angles each week. And correct me if I'm wrong, I know it personally to come up with new ad angles each week is a different kind of headache. Each time you'll need to brainstorm and come up with new ad angles every week, then find a videographer or an editor, or to wait on your team to get it completed. And by the time the ad is ready, it's already time up. The trend is outdated, and you personally think that it's not gonna work anymore because you will just not need to launch that campaign, but actually also track what is working, what's not working, every data, every metric, and based on that, you will need to relaunch new ads for converting random users to your customers. So I created a system which allows me to create 25 to 30 ad angles, including scripts, visuals, and a creative framework within less than an hour, all ready to use. And please don't worry about the thing because I also know that we don't need just the AI powered scripts and frameworks. We are not actually creating it for fun. Each creative and ad angle should pull us money in the bank. And actually, that's the moment when it all makes sense. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I build a repeatable AI powered creative system that helps me to come up with 25 to 30 ad angles within an hour, pre-made highly effective scripts and scroll stopper ad framework using my converting framework, and at the end ready to run ads within a day, or my friends sometime within just hours. So let's break down this super simple. You don't need any fancy tools or crazy skills for this. You, my friend, need just a right system, and which I'm going to reveal in this video. And as always, I will take few products in front of you on camera to show you how actually it will work for everyone. So here's how we do it. There are only two steps that we'll need to follow. In the first step, we will find what ad angles could work for us, what ad angles should we create, and after that, in the next step, we will create script based on that. And again, let me tell you that this is not a generic script. You'll be using my pre-tested framework that I use for me and for my clients, which brings us crazy results each and every month. Each and every script will be based on that framework, which converts really, really good, and the angles that really matters, the ones which will pull in money in your bank. And after that, we will systemize this everything for you. So each time you sit down and try to create creatives or ad angles, it should be a matter of few minutes for you. So let's start. But before that, let me bring some products for you on camera. So we'll create ad angles for that right in front of camera. I'll be back. Yes, I'm back, my friends, with these two products which I have with me. First is the trimmer, which we will use to trim the hairs, but I'm not sure. I just found it in my wardrobe. After that, we'll be having this hair for hair serum with us. And let me tell you how can we create actual scripts or ad angles for these two products. So moving on the first step, which is ideation, where we will be generate the hook. So this is where most people get stuck, like what should I actually make. I will suggest you just not brainstorm, at least follow all the steps that I'm telling you. There is a tool called as Calude. Please don't mind if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I call it Calude. The link is directly given down in the description box. You can check it out after this video. So I will suggest you to go on Calude. You can also go on ChatGPT, but my suggestion for you is to go on Calude and use my custom prompt over there, which is something like: act as a D2C creative strategist, give me 15 scroll stopping hooks to sell particular product using emotions like fear, curiosity, greed, and humor. And please don't worry about what is this and what it will bring to me. As I said you earlier, please don't brainstorm, just try it for once. You just need to just copy this prompt and hit this prompt into the Calude. So let me go just on Calude real quick. In the product section, I will just type that I will be selling this hair growth serum. And right after hitting enter, you can see right in front of your screen that is this is the D2C creative strategist hair growth serum. So here are the 15 hooks based on humors, before and after pain transformation, customer pain points before and after, based on everything which really really matters for us, which we actually need. So I will not read this. We got some hook angles. The first step is already done. We have the ad angles in right in front of you, based on everything that is responsible for conversion. And please trust me guys, this is not just generic stuff. We will see latter part in this video. So the first step is done. We have created the hook and ad angles, the next step we are moving to is to create a script. So for always scripting the creative, there is a framework which I personally use and which is created by me, which me and my clients, all of us use, and it works exceptionally well. So if you want to know more about what is this creative framework is about, you can check it out, this video maybe here or here. You will find out everything about that, where I have practically shown you how you can script it, what framework is that based on. So you can just go ahead and watch that video. So you can just have a look that we have a AV hook, which is audio visual hook, which also should call out the problem visually and verbally. In the next part, we need to create authority, the explainer part, at the end, the call to action part. And here is the whole hook, problem, solution, call to action framework that I always use. So what I'll do is I'll just paste it in Calute, and after that we will get, so as you can see, we will get the script in front of you guys. Now it's time to check that what actually it has given to us. So we are selling this hair growth serum. The problem majorly this hair growth serum solves is it prevents hair fall and promotes new hair growth. So if you think closely, I have explained this thing in very, very detail in that creative creation video. You can go anytime and watch it. If you want a scroll stopper, you need to show something that is very strange and which make him feel relatable. And being honest, if we are creating ad creatives, that means we are only showing our ad to the targeted people. So whoever is watching my ad must be my targeted viewer. But having targeted customers or targeted viewers as the audience for my creative is not enough. We'll need to make them stop on our ads. So what do you think? Like, let's say I'm suffering from hair fall, and if you show me something very, very strange which is personally relatable to me, why will I not stop at your video? Hair fall is my problem, and I am trying to deal with it. And if you showed me something which acted as a FOMO, and the script part is looped in a way that you will not just stay but you will watch till the end. So let's see if this scripts fulfill all that accepts. So if you can see right in front of you, we have the audio visual hook, which is about 0 to 10 seconds. We have the authority part, we have explainer, and also we have the call to action. We not just have the script, guys, we also have what should we show visually on camera. So let's start with the hook part. The hook is like close up of a person anxiously examining their hairbrush full of hairs. Again, what I told you, I'm suffering from hair fall, and what you can show me something strange that I'm not supposed to see on my feed, and it is also relatable to me, that I also feel that same thing. So it ticks all the principle of our hook framework, that your hook should work without the music as well. So think about that. Will it not work without sound? If you are showing a man very anxiously looking at his hairbrush, and it's something which is relatable to you because you also facing hair fall, that I feel which is definitely scroll stopper for the targeted customer whom the product is being targeted. So this is the visual part, and we have the voiceover part also. See this isn't normal shedding. This is the moment where 83% people ignore until it's too late. So if you know one thing, that people trust more when you talk about numbers. So I didn't tell anything to this tool to talk about numbers and everything. Also, we have at the end the visual that the person looking worried at mirror, very, very relatable. After that, we will build authority. Now let's see how this script will make us build authority. There is a voiceover. Hi, I'm doctor. So if you have seen that someone who is specialist in this field is telling me something, why not should I listen to it? I mean, think about that, my friend. After losing half my hair due to stress, I spent 3 years developing the formula. Now we are slowly going into our product explanation, that we are discussing about the problem. Here we showed the problem audio and visually captivating way. Here we are building authority and slowly transitioning into explaining what our product is about. So here is the voiceover. Unlike conventional treatments that just slow hair loss, our regen root serum targets three key growth factors simultaneously. And here we have that what to show visually. Simple animation showing how the serum penetrates the follicle. So everything which is necessary to build trust, to build authority, to make him watch the whole ad till the end. It's so amazing, man. you cannot just imagine. And at the end we have a smooth call to action, which says don't wait until your part gets wider and your option gets narrower. Tap now for 20% off and join the 50,000 people who stop counting. Okay, so as you can also see that I didn't tell him anything, but he himself built authority that lots of other people are also using. If you added the testimonial video or your UGC style of video, then my friend the game is going to change. This is the thing that you actually need. So as you have seen that we had created around 15 ad angles within just click, and also a whole script and the framework of that ad creative within another click. So look at this, how easy and how simple is this. So you can always ask it for different variation, different angles, but maintaining the same framework that we use. This is actually gold for you guys. This will save you a lot of time, countless hours brainstorming what creative angle should you use, what script should you use, everything on just a few clicks for you ready to done. If you want every prompt of this, or maybe if you want sources which I have used in this video, all will be linked down in description. And anytime if you feel like connecting with me and seeking for some help, I'm always available for you. All the links are also given down in the description box. If you are confused in the format that I'm using and how it really solves the conversion problem, you can watch one of this video which is in front of your screen. And if you don't have a creative testing system which allows you to make a decision on like what to kill, what to scale, you can watch another video which must be showing up on your screen right now. You can follow me on my old social handles where I share such things within short period of time. I hope this helped you, my friend. I will see you in the next one.